Hi, I've got 3 tips for surviving breast cancer treatment. My first tip has to do with drinking a lot of water. You may wonder why water is important during treatment. Let me tell you that treatment with chemotherapy is nothing like treatment you'll see in the movies. You don't get nauseated, you won't spend days in bed. The problem that you likely will have is constipation. Water will help that greatly. I bought myself a 64-ounce pitcher of water. The day before chemo, I drank an entire pitcher. The day of chemo, I drank an entire pitcher. And the day after chemo, I drank an entire pitcher. This keeps your body hydrated, obviously. It keeps your kidneys working, and it helps with the biggest problem during chemo, which is constipation. My second tip also has to do with chemotherapy, and that is eating a high fiber diet. You really want to eat high fiber for the same reason that you drink a lot of water. Fiber helps everything flow through your system. So what I did was the morning before chemo, I would eat a whole grain cereal or a whole grain piece of toast with a pear. For lunch, I would have beans, a salad, and maybe another piece of toast. And for dinner, I would have a normal dinner, but I'd select a high fiber vegetable such as artichoke. This really helps your system keep going. You'll be giving enough medication, so you don't want to take any extra medication if you don't need to. You, of course, can always take Metamucil if on day 3 you have problems, but with a high fiber diet and a lot of water, you won't have problems. My third tip has to do with emotional attitude. Having a positive spirit and looking for humor all around you can help beyond measure. When you hear the words "you have cancer," whether you're stage 0 and DCIS or whether you're stage 4 like me, you're just going to be shocked. And your mind is going to go places where your mind shouldn't go. One way to take yourself out of that is to look for the humor in everyday situations, whether it be reading a funny paper or whether it is watching your pet or something that your child says. Those little moments are the moments that you should pay attention to and appreciate. Those are the moments that will take you away from cancer and make you realize that you still have a lot of life to live, and you'll be getting through treatment, and it will pass. My name is Anne, and I was diagnosed in August of '09 with stage 2 breast cancer. I underwent 6 rounds of chemotherapy and a year of Herceptin. Unfortunately, my cancer came back 5 months later in the liver, so now I'm stage 4. I've been going through treatment for stage 4 cancer since May. Basically, I've been doing chemo for almost 2 years, so I'm well aware of what works and what doesn't. I also keep a humor blog at butdoctorihatepink.com. My Twitter handle is at butdoctorihatepink, and you can email me at butdoctorihatepink@gmail.com. I'm also on Facebook at butdoctorihatepink.